Yo, how's it going, guys? It's me, Goble, and welcome back to another video on the channel. And I am finally back to uploading. And in today's video, we are back on the Archon. And as you guys know, I've been uploading on the Archon before I actually stopped uploading. And I did want to take a bit of a break from uploading on the channel because I did want to focus on some other things. But I am now back, and me and my friend are going to be uploading together on this channel. So it should either be alternating between me uploading and then him uploading back and forth, or maybe we'll make some videos together where we're both recording at the same time, and it'll just be me in a clip, and then the next clip will be him, and then me, and then him. Something like that. So it should be pretty interesting. But today we are here on the Archon for a brand new large series here on the Archon, and we're going to continue uploading. If you guys want me to stick around and only upload on the Archon, make sure you guys drop a like, and let's go for 60 likes. And if we hit 60 likes, then I will continue uploading on the Archon and only upload on the Archon possibly, and I'll try and figure that out for you guys. But before the video starts, make sure you guys come play the server with me. Global.archonhq.net is the IP. Use code GOBLE on shop.thearchon.net for a free tier 1 rank on any realm on the entire network. You can use it 2 times if you guys would like to, but only a maximum of 2 times. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. I'm going to head into the server. And yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy today's video on Skyblock, and the next one will be on Prison tomorrow. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on Skyblock, and it looks like we are going to be playing on the Skyblock Origins realm, which we have not yet played on. So IS info, as you guys can see, we have not played yet. So we're going to go ahead and download the custom texture pack really quickly, and then we're going to go ahead and check out everything. Alright guys, so as soon as you log into the server, I'm sure I've showed you guys this a million times. You guys can see it says welcome to Skyblock Origins, shows you the website, store, and Discord link, and then it says use such help for assistance and /is to get started. And then it says adventures are accessible through /adventures. Inside this world you will be able to complete challenges which give you rewards for your Skyblock Island. Please note you will have a separate inventory inside the adventures world. And then there's the different mob coin drops. There is the island portal, where you can set up your payouts. There's different types of machines. There's the planting, research, and crafting machines. And then over here, there's the blacksmith, pet keeper, get started, ranks, IS top information for the number 1 and all that. The casino, which gives you a free spin, custom mob drops, and then there's the war zone area. We're going to pop through this portal. We're going to go open our daily free spin. So let's go ahead and open up this, and let's go ahead and see what we do get. And we got 64 diamond blocks. So let's do such shop. Let's go ahead and sell all of these. Let's see how much money we get. 72,000. Dang. So just to start off, we just got 72,000. That's $1 million per play right there. This one is 100,000 per play right there. And it's pretty cool. So yeah, I definitely want to try this out in the future. This one is 1 billion each. Let's check the about top. I'm kind of curious to see. This one's 10 million. Some people have hundreds of billions. But what we're going to go ahead and do is go to IS Create. Let's go ahead and create let's do a 1-block Skyblock Island. And we are going to do a 1-block Skyblock series. So let's go ahead and get this like this. And this is actually going to be pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get these tools out, and we're basically just going to grind the 1-block Skyblock and just try and get some stuff, because, you know, it's definitely going to be pretty hard starting from 1 block, trying to get on to be pretty, you know, rich, I guess you could say. So we're going to have to definitely try and stack up all of our stuff, purchase some blocks to expand our island. And overall, it should be pretty fun. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back in just a couple of minutes. Alright guys, so we're doing a $10,000 coin flip, and please land on mine. Okay, well, I just lost. Okay, yep, well, I just lost 10K. So yeah, I am trying to get some money because I am broke. But yeah, I think what we're gonna do is expand our island now. Let's do /shop, and let's expand our island some. Let's do grass, and let's do 2 blocks, 2 stacks I meant. and let's go ahead and just expand our island. So, yeah, hopefully by the end of today's video, we could basically just expand out our island some, and make it pretty big. That's basically my goal, is just to make the island pretty big. So, yeah, I think I'm going to make it 10 by 10 by 10, 10 each way, and that'll probably be good enough. So, yeah, I'll bring his back with an update pretty soon. I'm just going to extend this out for right now. And yeah, I'll bring you guys back. Alright, a few minutes later, for me, basically just a couple minutes of me spamming blocks and asking for money in chat later. We are now on $21 million. So, what I think I'm going to do is go to Warp Casino and be very, very stupid Warp. And let's go to where, what is this? Can I go? I guess I gotta go to /spawn and then go through the portal to the casino, I guess. I don't know how that works. Maybe I'm supposed to do /casino. Yeah, that's how you do it. Okay. Let's do, honestly, let's do some of this. Let's do some slots. Why not? Alright, let's go. Start. Alright, let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Something good, something good. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Alright, let's see what we get this time. Come on, come on. We gotta get some. Nothing at all. Yeah, nothing. Okay. Yep. Okay. No. Alright, well. Come on. Don't land on nothing. Don't land on nothing. Don't land on nothing. Oh, 200K. Nice. I made my money back. Well, actually, I think I lost 100K. But, anyways, nothing. Okay. Alright, maybe we'll be lucky on, what is this? Rock, paper, or sword? Let's see, rock, paper, or scissors. Scissors beats paper. Let's do paper. Alright, come on. Come on. I wonder if this is rigged. I'm gonna hit rock. Come on. Let's win this time. Let's go. Oh, what? Oh. Alright, come on. Rock, 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 rock. Again, bro. Alright, I gotta keep picking rock. There's no way. Ah. Okay. Alright, let's see. Let's do a couple more. I really want to win. Oh my. Alright, let's do this. Hopefully it won't pick scissors again. Dude, it's a draw every time. Alright, now it's gonna pick rock. Come on. Oh, okay. Well, anyways, I think that's enough for that. Okay, we're hitting 1 million slots. Alright, we're gonna do it. And then, okay, this is really stupid. But, let's see. And we already got nothing. Yep, okay. Yep, we already got nothing. Alright, yep. Alright, one more time, one more time, one more time. One more time through. There's no way I landed on nothing this time, right? I already landed on nothing. Great. Great, great, great. One more time, one more time. Alright. Okay. Alright, come on. Don't make me lose it all. I'm losing every time. Okay, well, anyways, forget that. We are not doing that anymore. We are not doing that anymore. We don't have the money to risk. So, I think the only way that we could do this is if we do a 10 million coin flip. Come on. Come on. I just lost 10 million. Are you kidding? I won! I thought I lost. I just got so scared. Okay, well, we just doubled what we just put in there. Okay. So, I don't think I should go any further. I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, with all that being said and done, we're going to go ahead and end off today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys drop a like. Let's go for 60 likes on today's video, and I will continue uploading on the Archon. And try to only upload on the Archon. Make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel. I want to hit 5K by the end of the year if possible. Also, make sure you guys come play. Goble.archonhq.net is the IP. use code goble at checkout on shop.archonhq.net, and you guys will be able to get a free tier 1 rank on any realm on the entire network. Anyways, guys, see you guys later. Peace.